Is the Fairfax County real estate market cozying up in November? Join us for the Insider Scoop. Hey there, welcome back to your trusted real estate source. It's me, Melvin Yates in the Flagship Group. Get ready for your monthly real estate update. We've got you covered, whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the real estate game. From home prices to the latest trends in sellers and buyers market, we're your go-to experts right here in your neighborhood. This video is sponsored by the Let's Talk Real with Mel podcast. If you haven't tuned in yet, make sure you hang out with me 3 times a week. We've got a fantastic lineup of guests from all walks of life, discussing real-life topics, triumphs, setbacks, and everything in between. Find us wherever you search for podcasts. Now for the numbers. The average sales price was $755,259. This is a 1.8% increase over last year and a 3.7% increase over last month. The total sales volume in Fairfax County last month all added up was $645 million, and that's up 7.3% over the prior month. The average time it took to find a buyer was 17 days. Let's take a look at the national data for October and check out the latest real estate trends nationwide. The news is the housing market going to crash? No. There are still more buyers than sellers, and that means a meaningful price decline can't happen. There's just generally not enough supply, says Mark Fleming, chief economist and title insurer for First American Financial Corporation. There are more people than housing inventory. It's Econ 101. Now let's get a quick reality check. Housing consumers have a bit of relief this week as the 30-year fixed mortgage interest rate dipped slightly to 7.5%, falling 0.25% and hitting the lowest point in a month. Now the future outlook is looking pretty good. Amidst the ongoing housing market, there's a growing need for more affordable housing options in the U.S., prompting a strong recommendation for the Federal Reserve to consider a reduction in the Fed funds rate. Now, in this dynamic real estate scenario, homeowners are positioned as the beneficiaries, acquiring housing equity that eager prospective buyers ardently seek.
I want a house! I want children!
In all of Fairfax County, there were 855 homes that ultimately sold. That's up 3% over the prior month and down 5.7% over last year this time. Wait, before you rush off, I've got an exclusive insider tip just for you. Why not make a quick stopover at our website for your annual equity update? It's just like getting a sneak peek into your home's current value. And always remember, I'm just a call, text, or email away. Whenever you need some real estate wisdom, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. We're thrilled to be your dedicated team for all things real estate in the DMV area. Until next time, catch you later. Joe.